Hello friends, welcome to HK Defense TV. Today we are going to show top 20 countries with the most combat aircraft 2022. Number 20. United Arab Emirates. Total aircraft 554. Number 19. Israel. Total aircraft 597. Number 18. Germany. Total aircraft 617. Number 17. Greece. Total aircraft 633. Number 16. Brazil. Total aircraft 679. Number 15. United Kingdom. Total aircraft 693. Number 14. Taiwan. Total aircraft 741. Number 13. Italy. Total aircraft 862. Number 12. Saudi Arabia. Total aircraft 897. Number 11. North Korea. Total aircraft 946. Number 10. France. Total aircraft 1055. Number 9. Turkey. Total aircraft 1057. Number 8. Egypt. Total aircraft 1062. Number 7. Pakistan. Total aircraft 1,387. Number 6. Japan. Total aircraft 1,449. Number 5. South Korea. Total aircraft 1,595. Number 4. India. Total aircraft 2,182. Number 3. China. Total aircraft 3,285. Number 2. Russia. Total aircraft 4,173. Number 1. United States. Total aircraft 13,247.